Nubia Redmagic is bringing revolution in smartphone gaming market. Actually, Redmagic is going to launch the most powerful gaming smartphone till date. The name of this great smartphone is going to be Redmagic 10 Pro Plus. In this great smartphone, you are going to get a very big battery of 7050 mAh. Apart from this phone is going to fulfill the demands of both your gaming and camera. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Redmagic 10 Pro Plus. Display. Nubia Redmagic 10 Pro Plus 5G is going to have 6.85-inch, 1.5K OLED, BO, Q9 Plus display. Actually, this display has a resolution of 1116 into 2480 pixels, and a pixel density of 400 pixels per inch. And this display has a refresh rate of 144 Hz and a peak brightness of 4500 nits. Apart from this, in-display fingerprint sensor can also be seen in it. Camera setup. In this smartphone you get triple rear camera. It will have a primary camera of 50 megapixel wide angle, 50 megapixel ultra wide angle, and the third 50 megapixel macro camera. With this camera you can record videos at 8K and 30 FPS. Talking about its front camera, it has a 32 megapixel front camera. Performance. Talking about the operating system, it is going to have Qualcomm's powerful processor, Snapdragon 8 Elite. And for graphics, it will be provided with Adreno 750 GPU. And if we talk about the operating system, you will get to see the latest Android 15 in it. Battery or charger. In Redmagic 10 Pro Plus, a large 7050 mAh lithium polymer battery is available. And to charge it, a 125-watt USB Type-C model fast charger will be available, with which you can fully charge it in 20 minutes. Price or launch date. Talking about the price of Redmagic 10 Pro Plus, the price of 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage is expected to be around $1,000. And if we talk about the launch date, then it will be launched in the 3rd of December.